Wagwan KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I'm gonna be starting off on freshly washed hair. So as you can see, I'm parting my hair in two sections for this curly puff. And I also had plaits in my hair just to stretch my hair a little before I do this hairstyle. Now I'm gonna be using the Creme of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco leave-in conditioner. Then I'm gonna be using the Aunt Jackie's Soft All Over multi-purpose oil just to seal in the leave-in conditioner. The reason why I'm using leave-in and not a creamy product is because I have low porosity hair and I don't want the products to be sitting on top of my hair and then start to flake in a couple of days. So I'm just going light on the products right now to do this curly puff. As you can see, I'm combing the products throughout my hair so every strand gets moisturized. Now I'm going to be using the Eco Style Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel just to lay my hair with no frizz. So I'm just going to be applying the gel around the perimeter of my hair. Now I'm gonna be brushing the gel in just to make sure everything is laid and slayed. I should have showed you guys the ponytail holder that I'm using, but here I used a ponytail holder that I cut open just so I can do this puff. It's easier for me this way than to hold my hair in my hand to wrap the ponytail holder around. This way you can adjust the ponytail holder if you want it to be tight or more loose. So this is the best way for me. So now I'm gonna be doing the same thing on the next side. Here I am applying more gel just to make sure everything is laid and slayed like I said. So after I can apply my scarf to make sure it is extra laid and slayed for the rest of the week. So now I'm gonna be tying my scarf around my hair. Make sure it is a satin scarf or a silk scarf just to not dry out your hair too much. So yeah, I'm just gonna be wrapping that around. Okay, so here's the trick to avoid flakes on low porosity hair. Use warm water to spray on your hair before you apply the gel. Just to make sure the gel is not just sitting on top of your hair to cause flake. When you use warm water, it opens up the cuticle of your hair so products can soak into your hair instead of just sitting on the top. So that's the trick for low porosity hair. As you can see, I am not using a lot of gel, just a bit on the tip of my finger, and I'm gonna be raking it throughout my hair, and I'm just gonna keep doing that until my curl starts to pop. After, I'm gonna be using a Denman brush to brush throughout my hair just to help with the curls. As you can see, it's working. I'm just gonna keep doing that throughout each section, applying the gel, and then after applying the gel, I'm gonna be using the Denman brush to brush throughout my hair until my curls are formed. Yes, I do have white residue after using the gel, but trust the process because after using the warm water and applying your gel, I promise you when your hair is dry, that white residue will be gone and you won't have no flakes, because this is day 3 while I'm doing this voiceover and I don't have any flakes. As you can see, this is the final result. My hair is dry. This is like 3 hours later. Yes, and it's 80% dry, but as you can see, no white residue. By the way, I left my hair to air dry only. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe and also to click that bell, the notification bell, so you can be notified when I post videos. And also hit that like button, that thumbs up, make it blue, please. And stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.